Hey guys, welcome back. Yasin here. So, have you done your homework yet? Or you want the fish? So the fish is called wolf. Or do you want me to show you how to fish? If you want me to show you how to fish, you have to stick with me. I'll show you things that you really need to master before you put in your next trade. If you haven't mastered them, trust me, you can put in the trade, but you're gonna struggle a lot. The fish for this video is called wolf. So this stock actually, it's really going against the market flow. You can see up here the stock that actually the SPY index is going, it's making lower highs and making lower lows. Alright, and if you look at the stock down here, it's called wolf. We had actually a gap and it's going sideways. We'll look at the stock on the weekly. You can see that it's really making a base here and it's just going sideways and ready to pop. And you look at the SPY on the weekly here, and it has this engulfing candle that it actually wants to go lower. And so if you look at it in here, you look at the SPY and you look at it on the weekly, and I urge you so many times to look at the charts on weekly. You're looking at an engulfing candle. So basically this candle is engulfing this candle, indicating lower prices ahead. Where we're going, I'm thinking we're going lower, probably another 8%, or about give or take. How did I came out with this? Well, you just look at the left side and then the chart will tell you. The reason why I came out with this is because we had a resistance here. So the index came all the way up here and then get rejected, came back again up here by the same area. There is no such like a real price, but it's about an area, and then came back here, and then that's how it came out with that price. So again, so that's, here you go, that's your stock. You can go watch it, or if you stick with me, I'll show you a couple things that you probably need to learn before you put in your next trade. And when I'm talking about like so many points that you need to answer yourself, and you're the only one who's going to answer those questions, nobody else. You have to identify yourself. You have to be able to identify yourself. Are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader? Are you a position trader? Are you investors? So I'm not gonna here to guide you and then put, actually I will guide you, but I'm not here to, I'm gonna sit and then take your hand and walk you step by step. I like when people do the homework for themselves and make decisions for themselves, but I'm not your daddy or anybody else. I'll help you, but I'll give you all the tools, but you have to I'll show you the door, but you have to walk through that door. So again, you have to be able to identify yourself, who you are. And then once you do, give me 1 second here. I have to look at the brush so I can walk with you through. So you have to identify yourself, who you are, and once you do that, and there's so many differences. You just Google. Google is going to be your friend. You have to be able to master so many things. Okay. And then each one of these actually it will take time, and just to be able to make it in the stock market, it's going to be a journey, and you're going to lose a lot of money. You're going to have time where you're going to ask yourself, is the stock market is something that I want to do? Is forex probably better than stocks? Is people, they're going to be telling you is trading is just gambling? And trust me, I've been through all these questions, and I wasted a lot of money and effort, but again at the end the light bulb went off, and then I can see results. I did see results after that. This is not a get rich quick, but you can make a good living out of it. Okay, you have to be able to you have to know what money management is. You have to know what risk management is. And like I said, I can be talking here for days and then weeks and to show you this stuff, but it's up to you to learn this stuff. I'll show you through all my next videos what all these are from time to time, but again, you have to be able to know this stuff. The most holy grail probably out of this, it's each one of these. It's a component that makes the whole puzzle. But again, the one thing probably I can tell you, you have to be able to don't lose money. It's basically that's the only that's one of the big thing that I can tell you. Don't lose money. And if you want to stay in the game, you can't lose all your money. And then again, that comes into mindset, because sometimes we can come into a trade, and then I'll tell you this is bullish, and then next day will turn bearish, and then but since you don't have your mind is not it's not ready yet for it to be unbiased and then switch with whatever the market is doing. You're not going to be ready for it. So again, each one of these is actually really crucial to be able to make it in the market. I hope you find value in this stuff. Just go ahead. I wrote it down so you can take it and Google it and find each one of these components, and then I really hope this video gave you some value. And then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and then subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.